In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PNG to SVG in Canva. If you're working with logos, icons, or simple graphics and you need a file that stays sharp at any size, SVG is a great choice. Just keep in mind that exporting a PNG as an SVG in Canva doesn't magically turn a photo into editable vector shapes. It essentially saves your design in an SVG format so it scales cleanly and is compatible with tools that prefer SVG. Start by opening a design in Canva and uploading your PNG file. You can use an existing design or a fresh blank canvas, either works. On the left side of the screen, open the Uploads panel and bring your PNG into Canva. Once it appears in your uploads, you're ready to place it on the canvas. Next, drag the uploaded PNG onto your canvas. Position it where you want it and size it as needed. This makes sure the image is part of your design and ready to export. If your PNG has transparency, that will carry through the export, which is helpful for logos and icons that need a clear background. When you're set, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. In the menu that opens, choose Download. This is where you'll pick your file format and finalize the export. You'll see a drop-down labeled File Type. From the File Type drop-down, select SVG, which stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. This format is ideal for crisp edges and infinite scaling. If you don't see SVG as an option, it may be restricted based on your Canva plan. The option typically appears alongside formats like PNG and PDF. Selecting SVG here ensures your download is prepared in the correct format. Finally, click the Download button to save the SVG file to your computer. Canva will process the export and then your browser will save the file to your default downloads location. You can now use that SVG in web projects, slide decks, or send it to printers that request vector-friendly files. Remember, if your original PNG is a photo or a complex image, the SVG will still behave like a raster image inside an SVG container, so it won't be fully editable like native vector artwork. For flat graphics and clean logos, though, this workflow is perfect for maintaining sharpness at any size. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.